Unscrew the plug. Screw on the quick connect. Insert the hose and start draining the oil. Start the machine. The machine will stop when the pressure in the oil and gas tank reaches 3-5 kJt. Repeat 2 to 3 times. After the oil is drained. 1. Open the cover and replace the air filter. 2. Replace the oil filter. Before replacing, fill the new oil filter with 2/3 oil. Unscrew the old oil filter. After applying some oil around the new oil filter, screw it on. Tighten with belt. 3. Replace the built-in oil separator core. Remove pipes and screws. Remove the built-in oil separator core. Clean the paper pads around the oil and gas tank. The paper pads and rust on the top cover also need to be cleaned. Lubricating oil was applied to the paper gaskets around the oil gas separator. Apply lubricant around the oil and gas tank. Put into the oil gas separator. Apply lubricant to the top cover. Tighten the screws. When tightening the screws, tighten them diagonally. 4. Replace the filter. Remove the electronic drain valve and unscrew the filter by hand. Replace the filter. The same method is used to operate on other filter elements in sequence. 5. Add engine oil. After running, the oil level should be between the 2 lines. 6. Modify maintenance parameters. Everything was running normally after maintenance was completed.